Hi everyone, it's Tarnished Treasures and I'm here with my friend
Razzle Candle.
And we are making Twinkie cake. So the first thing for Twinkie cake is you need to make a cake. I like chocolate with this icing. You can do whatever flavor you want. So the cake is done. I just used a boxed mix. Again, any cake you want. It's the icing that's so good, and it's called Twinkie cake. So you put the icing in between. So you could cut this in half and ice it. You could have 2 round pans. I'm actually going to make a second big cake because we want some for home and some to take to school. So here is the recipe for the icing. A cup of milk, 5 tablespoons of flour. Then you're going to add some butter, Crisco, salt, vanilla, and sugar. So first you're going to cook the milk and flour until thick and then let it cool. We've got our cup of milk in and we are adding our 5 tablespoons and we're going to stir and bring that together. Tablespoon number 2 going in, buddy?
Yes.
Okay, go for it. Okay, and I'm just going to use a little whisk or a little fork to just keep it moving. Is it stuck in there?
Yes.
Okay, there we go. So we're going to add 3 more. I just got my fork, just gonna stir it around. You will definitely see how it changes in the next minute or 2. And it's just kind of like a medium heat. Maybe within a minute or a minute and a half, you'll start to see it really coming together and getting thick. See how thick that is? It just comes together real quick. Guess I would say that looks like mashed potatoes, looks like a dough, and that's that. So now just let it cool. I mean, that was probably about 1 minute on medium heat. The milk and flour mixture is cool. It doesn't take too long to cool down. I've got my butter. I have a cup of white sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla, half a cup of Crisco, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and you are going to mix that up, beat it for 3 to 5 minutes. That's about 1 minute of mixing, so we still got about 3 or 4 left. That's about 3 minutes, so I'm going to go a little longer. It's not going to hurt anything. You could cut this in half and put the icing in the middle. I had said you could do 2 round cakes. I actually baked a whole other cake. So I'm going to put all of this here and just pop a whole nother cake there, but that's because I'm taking it into school and the boys like to eat. And then we're going to sprinkle powdered sugar on the top, and that is the Twinkie cake. And I'm assuming it has that name because the filling is on the inside. And it's a nice cake to take into work if you don't have some type of cake holder, because then the saran wrap is not going to touch the icing and make a mess. The saran wrap is just going to touch the top of the cake or just where the powdered sugar is. And then it's just a lot easier to transport. This is one big cake. I've got the icing in the center, second cake on top, and the dusting of powdered sugar. So I'm going to put it in the fridge overnight, and then when you want to serve it, pull it out just so the frosting can soften up and come to room temperature a bit. There you go. Hope you try it and enjoy, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.